CataractCoach.com. Cortical cleaving hydro-dissection. This technique minimizes cortical cleanup. I first learned this technique about 20 years ago from Howard Fine, an ophthalmologist here in Oregon, USA, who's now since retired. But using fixation ring, making that paracentesis here. We sped the video up. We're going to watch the whole case start to finish. Surgeon sitting superiorly, good draping, eye in good positioning here. And let's see, what are we going to do? Go inside there. Here's that viscoelastic, dispersive, filling up the eye very nicely. And let's probably see the main incision now. Here we go. Keratome going in. And here's our main incision. Looks pretty good. And so rexes will be done. So the idea behind the cortical cleaving hydro-dissection is that you're going to separate the cortex from the capsule. So that's the plane. You don't want to leave cortex behind. You don't want to separate cortex from epinucleus or nucleus, because then you still got to clean up the cortex. So the idea is, well, if we can separate the cortex from the capsular bag. So the idea is when you go in here, watch this, with the BSS on a cannula, is tenting up the iris a little bit to get that correct positioning. See how it's tented up there? That allows that fluid wave to propagate in the correct plane. So just that one is all it took. Let's see, more viscoelastic going inside the eye. And let's see the nucleus removal technique. So phaco probe going inside the eye, looks like chopper, ball tip chopper in the other hand. And technique's going to be chop maybe, rotating that nucleus, rotating it, separating out the cortex that way as well. Yep, you can see that. You can keep spinning that nucleus, helps to separate it even more so. There you go. A lot of these Brazilian surgeons coming up with this, big rotation, rotate again and again and again. It works really well. And so now going in, chopping, horizontal chop, looks great. Splitting this nucleus into nice small quadrants, and those can be aspirated pretty easily. And the proof's going to be in the pudding. Let's see how much of the cortex is remaining after the phaco probe is pulled out of the eye. So here are the pieces brought up. So very nice technique here. And again, let's see, separating the nucleus. Now you got a bunch of small pieces that can be aspirated pretty easily. And so bringing that up, there it is. Fantastic. And let's rotate this thing. Beautiful. And here's there's a little bit of epinuclear shell. So take out this last piece of the cortex, the nucleus there. And then now there's an epinuclear shell that can be aspirated probably all at once. There is the epinuclear shell. And once that epinuclear shell is out, there really should be almost no cortex. Let's see. So rotating it again. Be careful when you do this. Just vacuum, minimal phaco energy. Just the vacuum is what you're doing. And bringing that thing up away from the capsular bag. Look at that. The bag is pristine. It's totally clean. So yeah, check that out. You can Google it for more info. We have other videos on Cataract Coach. If you go to CataractCoach.com, you can type in cortical cleaving or just type in cleaving. And you'll see there are other videos that show this technique in more detail. But yeah, capsular bag's clean. Look, no eye probe needed at this point. Just some viscoelastic to fill out the bag. And now let's see what the lens is going to be. So capsular bag is essentially completely clean. Now, we tend to still go back inside the bag because we want to go and we want to aspirate out any other little wispy lens material that we have that's left. We want to do some polishing of the undersurface of the anterocapsular rim with the eye probe. And so there you can see a single piece of acrylic lens loaded up in there. Let's see, deliver this in the eye. And going in nice and easy. Now, interestingly, this looks like a Technis lens from Johnson & Johnson, which was put through the injector from Alcon, the Monarch injector. So yeah, it works. Hydrophobic acrylic lenses, you can pretty much switch injectors for the most part. So now cleaning up here, look at that beautifully positioned lens. Look at the beautiful rexus. Obviously an expert surgeon here. Really a pleasure to watch. And now, no need for cortex removal. Just take out the viscoelastic. Pretty clean. So give it a shot. Cortical cleaving hydro-dissection. And thank you to my buddy Howard Fine. I had some amazing trips with him. We did that Imperial City Eye meeting in Vietnam. We were the first people to do it that first year. Maybe it was 2006 or 2008. What a fantastic time. Great guy. So much to learn from him. He was truly a pioneer in our field. Thanks for watching.